Hey everybody, welcome back to the hotlogic kitchen. In today's hotlogic, I have 4 chicken breast tenderloins. On the bottom of the container, I have stir fry veggies from Bird's Eye broccoli stir fry. And I added smokehouse maple, a little bit of Italian, and stir fry sauce. And it's going to cook all day in the hotlogic mini, which you see here. And if I move it, you can see the veggies right there. So what do you think? This is going to be our dinner for tonight. You can see the sauce, the spices that I've used. If you're on a keto diet, this is also a great way to go. Low carb, anything. You can heat up anything from your frozen dinners. You can cook anything from frozen and raw, like what I'm doing. It will not overcook and it will not burn. Give a hotlogic a try, folks. You're going to like it. So again, this is chicken breast tenderloins with broccoli stir-fry veggies. Get yourself a hotlogic mini. You will be very impressed. Take care, everybody. God bless. Please subscribe to my video if you like. Hi. What are you? All right, everybody. Be safe. Bye.